Creepshow.
I'm Rob.
And I'm Jeff. And
We are the Red Dads. We're making stuff and we're cool. We're the Red Dads. The Red Dads. The Red Dads. The Red Dads.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming and checking out our Father's Day special. With us today, two very important guests.
that's right, man. Coming to us from He's Crafty, we have Chip Gaines.
And I'm Willie Days.
Right on, man.
So, hey Chip, how you doing?
I'm just over here wondering who I pissed off in life to deserve this.
Right on, man. Right on.
Hey, wait. Come on, why don't you go ahead and take a seat over here. Sorry.
And Willie, man, let me just say, man, those shoes and those socks, man, those are awesome, man. Those are really rad.
I really appreciate that, Jeff, and let me say, your cell phone case is absolutely sick!
Right on, man. Oh, yeah, right, man. I see it now. Right on, man. Right on.
So, Chip, judging from that sweet tribal sleeve, I'm going to assume that you were in a 90s rock band like we were.
Whoa, you dorks were in a band? What was the name of it?
Stone Temple Pilots, man.
Wow! That's awesome!
Wait. Your band's name was Stone Temple Pilots?
That's awesome!
Yeah, pretty sweet, right?
Yeah, if there wasn't already a band called Stone Temple Pilots.
What?
Who is it? I'll kick their ass! I'll kick their ass!
Calm
man.
down! You're a teepee in a wigwam. You're too tense, bro.
Calm down, Silverchair. Hey, watch where you're going there, buddy.
All this band talk reminds me. What concert only costs 45 cents?
Yeah, I don't care, bro, at all.
50 cent? And Nickelback.
Hey, Chip, I don't understand how they make any money.
Oh, Christ, man. I swear, man, if somebody's got a missile or anything, could they just drop it on me now? Please.
Hey, Chip, man, what are we going to be whipping up today?
Alright, bro. Today we're making a cake inspired by the horror anthology Creepshow. In particular, the episode Father's Day, where some creepy-ass dude comes back from the dead for his Father's Day cake.
Father's Day, and I got my cake.
Hey, that reminds me, man. What do you call a cake that likes heavy metal, man?
I don't know. Is it I'm gonna punch out your throat cake?
No, man, no. That's not even close, man.
That wasn't even close.
No, man, it's Megadeth by Chocolate, man.
Hey, Willie. Looks like that joke turned you into a wedding cake.
How's that?
It's got you in tears.
No. No.
Okay, Chipster, enough fun. Let's go bake us some brilliance, man.
Look, bro, you call me Chipster again, I'm gonna punch you so hard that when you wake up, Marcy Playground will be cool again.
Oh, man, I love that song, man.
I smell sexy candy here. Yeah, it'll do,
Yeah, man.
All right, Chip, let's get cooking for real.
Yeah, man.
Yes!
Time out, bro. Time out. Before we get started, I want to introduce you dorks to Chip's Rules of the Kitchen. These are Chip's Rules of the Kitchen. Listen carefully. Rule number 1, shut your face. Rule number 2, always grunt when mixing your ingredients. Rule number 3, always drop your utensils when you're done using them. And rule number 4, shut your face. What's up, bro? I'm Mini Chip, and I'm gonna give you commentary from the lower corner. Let me just say that this project was one of the hardest things I've ever tried. Making this cake and sculpting with this modeling chocolate, well, it sucked, quite frankly. It just sucked. Starting off the whole project, though, we're gonna start with this tray, pick that up at Party City, and this cake stand. Gonna drill a hole in this tray and run the cake stand through the bottom to support the weight of this cake. Okay, once that's all set, then I took this styrofoam head and I cut it off, leaving just the chin and the neck. This is gonna be the stand for this cake. We wrapped it in foil with a cake board on the top. Then we're gonna cover it in this modeling chocolate. Yeah, modeling chocolate, Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'm so much of a fan of that. You knead it, you roll it out, it gets all soft. It's kind of hard to work with. So anyways, you cover your stand like this. And I just put it on the tray. Now we're going to cover that layer with some frosting. And then we're going to start stacking these cakes, bro. One cake, frosting. Another cake, frosting. A third cake, frosting. Top it off with the fourth cake. Frost the top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start trimming the sides down to get this thing more head shaped. So once you got it to where you're going to work with it, you cover the whole thing in frosting. That's a shit ton of frosting, bro. Alright, let me throw out some cornstarch here on the counter, make it look like friggin' Tony Montana and Scarface. Start rolling out a huge piece of modeling chocolate to cover this entire head. Then you're going to take it at the excess and you're going to pinch it. Then start trimming away the excess modeling chocolate till you get that thing tight. Okay, now once this step is complete, now you're free to sculpt with modeling chocolate. Let me just say, this did not turn out the way I wanted it to, okay? I did find this in modeling chocolate was kind of hard to work with, you know? I mean, I don't know. This goes from looking like an alien to somewhat looking like the lady in the movie, sorta. So I'm just sculpting away. Never really got the thing smooth. Eyeballs, you know, they are what they are. Lady's hair, we just rolled out pieces of modeling chocolate, and then we started putting some body into it with a sculpting tool. Next we go on and once we get our face the way we sort of want it, we just start painting it. Don't forget the eyebrows. So once we get her all painted up, now it's time to just icing the top of this thing. Oh yeah. Put the candles, a little bit of cake paint for blood, light her up. Oh, what's up, you creepy bastard? Here it is right here.
What the hell is that?
Hey, screw you, you undead douche. What a dick. Let's cut ourselves a slice of this chick's head. I gotta say, this definitely did not turn out the way I thought it would.
That cake looks absolutely sick, Jim.
That actually sucks, bro.
Yeah, well, at the end of every episode, we always like to rock out to our 1997 hit, In the Future.
Yeah, Willie, man, why don't you join us on guitar, man?
Yeah!
Yeah,
Me?
You can be in the
Rock
band,
it
man.
out, bro!
All right, man.
Yeah!
Yeah, let's get started, man. Let's go.
Oh, hell no. No, I'm out of here. No.
In the future we will be flying cars. In the future we will travel to Mars. In the future we won't ever need phones. In the future we will all have clones. But whatever it shall bring, I will always rock.
Mom, Dad's having a midlife crisis again. Ugh, not again. What is this thing?
And don't forget, if you have any ideas for some great Rad Dad episodes, you can always email us at raddads@aol.com or just look us up on Ask Jeeves.
He's fat.